Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to rotate image in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video I will show rotate image. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for drawing option. Now click for image option. Then click for this browse option. Now select from image. Now click for open. That is, now research your image for a small. Now rotate for image. Now mouse right button click, then click for rotate. Now click for a rotate clockwise by 90 degree. That is. Then again mouse right button click, then click for rotate. Now click for rotate until 90 degree. Then again click for mouse right button. Now click for rotate option. Now click for flip horizontally. That is. Now click for a save and close option. That's it. Then I show rotate image in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for